Instant karma. Okay. So, the brain physiology. You see, it's easier to forgive people. Socrates said, man only can choose the good. He perceives that as the good. So if killing you is what he perceives as the highest good, he still is operating from the highest good. So how do you forgive people like that? You do it by realizing this. You realize between Socrates and this chart, that takes care of the whole resentment, forgiveness, hatred. Is that okay? You got any hatreds left, resentments, blames? Any blamers? Let's hear a blame. 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 You know what's wrong with this world? There's all the effing blamers out there. They're the ones. That's a righteous blame. Now neatly the mind can pull us in, huh? All blames are terrible except the righteous blame. All wars are terrible except the righteous war, Righteous blame, righteous resentment. Okay.